Exhale, lower your arms, keep your spread out like this. Inhale, okay. Exhale, half forward bend. This is the Khagasana, bird as if it is flying. Okay, good. Exhale, hold the breath and jump slightly forward to Utkatasana. Yes, beautiful. Inhale, get to the flying position. Okay. Inhale, don't move. Exhale, move another. One more time forward, get to it. Stay there. Inhale once again. Keep down. Good. Now you do the exhale, jump back now. Get to Khagasana. Good. Very good. Inhale one more time to the flying position. Inhale, exhale, hold the breath and jump back to position. Good. Thank you. Thank you. Good. Inhale, get to the flying position. Next inhalation, stretch your arms overhead. Take the human form into the